Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials. Pair your AirPods or MFI hearing device to the iPhone. Once paired, open Settings and add the hearing control to Control Center so Live Listen appears quickly. Make sure your device battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Low power can drop Bluetooth audio. You're doing this now because Live Listen uses your iPhone mic to stream sound. So correct pairing and the Control Center shortcut save time and prevent searching through menus later. Once done, swipe to open Control Center and tap the hearing ear icon. It reveals Live Listen. You'll tap Live Listen to start streaming audio from the iPhone mic to your headphones. Place the phone near the sound source for clearer pickup. Make sure to adjust the iPhone volume and the AirPods volume independently because the iPhone mic gain affects clarity. If noise is high, move closer or angle the mic. You can pause and resume without repairing. To finish, test Live Listen with someone speaking so you can confirm audio routing and clarity. You should hear the phone mic through your headphones. If you notice lag or dropouts, toggle Bluetooth and close heavy apps because CPU and wireless interference cause latency. Make sure microphone permissions are allowed, and if problems persist, unpair and repair the device or restart the iPhone. These steps clear transient bugs and reinitialize the audio chain, restoring stable Live Listen performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.